We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms.
So today we're going to work on giving our garden beds a rest. They did their job for us last year. It's the beginning of a new year. Figure we will rip out everything that's there currently. I mean, 90% of it's dead anyways. We're not getting any more fruit, vegetables out of it. Once we rip everything out, we're going to go ahead and cut up some tarps so we can put the tarps over the top, give the soil a rest until we start planting again in another couple of months or something. March-ish. Yeah. Right now it's January or year. Yeah. So we will get started on that.
Okay, so we have a billboard tarp and we're cutting it to size. And we've covered this first one over there already. And we've covered that back one back there. And now we have 3 more cut for these 4 beds. So we're cutting the billboard tarp to size to fit the beds, and then we're covering the beds with it. Alright, so we have them all covered except for where there's still something growing, which would be there. We still have strawberries that are alive, much to my surprise. And then back here where Lance is. Hold on just a second, let me zoom in on you. There we go. Back there where Lance is, there's some rosemary and a couple of flowers, which I have to figure out what kind of flowers they are because they are very hardy. And we want more of hardy. More hardy. And then here we have oregano, sage, and Jerusalem sage, so we didn't cover that part up either. But for the most part, it's covered. It's ready for its rest. It looks amazing. You're crazy looking right now. It looks amazing, and we'll get it all beautified again next year. Well, in a couple months. I say next year, but next growing season.
Yep.
So look how clean it is. That looks amazing.
Cleaner than we are.
Yeah. So if I need to put bricks on these, I will. We have a pile of bricks in the back. I can go get some and put them up here. But for the most part, they're all being held down by something. Like these have the cattle panel in the middle, and we just fed it underneath. But I might have to put bricks along the edges. This has a dome. The first one has a dome. That one has a piece of wood on it. This one goes up and underneath the seat on the end. And then this has the cattle panel as well. So, billboard tarp to the rescue. Oh, and looks like Lance is saving a spider.
Oh.
What is it?
Ladybug.
A ladybug? My goodness. It's kind of early for ladybugs.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Here, baby. Let's take you and put you on these hardy flowers. What are you finding to eat, though? I don't... All right, that's a wrap.
That's a tarp, not a wrap. power.
You're missing a few words though. I'm thinking.
I'm thinking.